Hey, welcome back, guys. Finally, it's Spiderman PS4 Pro Limited Edition. It's here. Yeah, let's open it.
The view from the top side, it's really nice, and for the right side a little bit, also from the left side you maybe cannot see it really well, and from the top. So overall looks really good. The view from the back, and it's the gameplay. I think this is in a subway, so it looks really good. Let's get into it.
It's time to open it. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. Let's see what is inside. Some kind of manual, not sure. Look at that.
So that's I take it out from the box, and then that's the Spiderman logo on top. It look really cool. And then from the front, it look really nice, and a PS4. And I took everything out from the box with the controller and all the manual and then cables as well. Looks really good. You know what I like also about the PS4 Pro, this version, is the fact that I think this is kind of like the more mature design from the earlier revision of the PS4. If you remember a while back, at the first time when they unveiled the PS4, they have a lot of issue with the overheat, and then the fans or the noise very loud because it tried to cool down the processor. And I remember back then I ordered the first gen PS4, not the slim, and then also after that is the Pro. And for that particular design, I didn't realize back then that the fan noise is also very loud. And then which I can imagine, because when you try the first time to kind of like push the architecture, and the first gen of the new architecture is often is very you still have a lot of issue. So you have to wait, I think, to not go to buy the first edition, first gen of the new platform. It's better to wait the second or even the third gen of that platform, because they mainly fix all of the issues. And then, of course, you would always like to play the newer things every time, but the economic point of view, I don't think is the best thing to do. So I would recommend to just uh, get the second gen of the PS5. And that's just my thought, because of I actually sold my PS4 first gen because of it's a bit loud and I did not play that much anyway. And then when I got this PS4 Pro with the limited edition, it's actually quite cool, because of now I have console that I like with the look that I like, and it has less issue. I mean, all the problems already resolved. So that's the thing that I enjoy the most about this PS4 Pro limited edition, is the fact that it's unique and it's very limited. And it's like you get something cool as well. Not only the fact that you like the console, but also you have additional value with the limited edition version. And I guess that was it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.